Hey friends, this is a review of this wooden mallet. I've used this, I bought this and have used this primarily to rehaft axes. And so you don't want to, I stained the back of a few or the ends of a few handles with black from a rubber mallet when I was first starting out. So I decided to move over to the proper tool, which is a wooden mallet for doing that. And my results have been better. Obviously, it's kind of a sacrificial surface on some level because the different things you're impacting, it it'll ding it up. But especially hickory handles, those can be pretty hard. So um, it's got a little bit of a varnish to it, and I've thought about stripping it off to kind of oil it myself with linseed oil, but haven't done that yet because it's still working just fine. So the mallet can come off if you want to, if I ever choose to refinish it like that. And you can see it's a little roughly finished in there, but I don't think it matters that much. So if you were to break the handle for whatever reason, you could easily replace that if you wanted to. It's comfortable. It's nice and radiused here where your hand would fall. I often will either hang it by this or put a little lanyard on that and hang it that way. The ends are chamfered nicely. So yeah, it's comfortable in hand overall. If I did, strip all this off and refinish it, I probably would round it off just a tiny bit more. There's kind of a little bit of a corner right here, but it hasn't really affected me at all. So the angle of the mallet is perfect. So when I'm putting it down, it's right where my hand wants to fall. So I really like that aspect of this. That's actually one of my favorite parts about this is kind of the angle of that mallet face. So I think this is a great option if you're doing woodwork or, like I said, working with axes and putting heads on new handles. This is a great option for that.